Good morning, dear students. Today in this session, I am going to take geometrical construction of ellipse by eccentricity method. In this type of problems, the eccentricity and the distance of focus from the directrix has been given. Now I am describing the detailed step of construction. The problem is one focus of an ellipse is at a distance of 60 mm from its directrix. Draw the ellipse given the eccentricity as 3 by 5. Draw a line DD as directrix. Mark the points DD. At any point A on DD, draw the axis AA dash perpendicular to DD to any convenient length. Now mark the focus F on the axis AA dash such that AF is equal to 60 mm. Divide AF into 3 plus 5, that is 8 number of equal divisions. Now the eccentricity is given as 3 by 5. So mark the vertex V on AF such that VF divided by VA is equal to 3 by 5. That is eccentricity. Divide AF into 8 equal divisions. These are the 8 divisions and mark V at 5th point. Then AV is 5 parts and VF is 3 parts. Draw a perpendicular line at V. Draw an arc V as center and VF as radius to meet the perpendicular line. Mark the point E where the arc intersects the vertical line. Join AE and extend the line to a certain length. Now we don't know the exact point of V dash, the second vertex. How to find the point V dash? This is the method. The method is shown here. Now draw a line inclined at 45 degree from the focus F to meet the AE produced line at point P. Now draw a perpendicular line from P to meet the major axis at point V dash. V dash is the second vertex of the ellipse. Take the measure of VV dash and mark the middle point as O. Draw a perpendicular line to meet the inclined line and extend to the bottom. This will be the minor axis of the ellipse. Draw certain number of parallel lines from the right of V, may not be equidistant, up to V dash. I am drawing 9 lines. Now mark the lines 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash and so on. Take the distance 1 1 dash in compass as the radius. With F as center and 1 1 dash as radius, draw an arc to cut the perpendicular line 1 1 dash, and similarly draw an arc at the bottom of the axis. Similarly, take radius as 2 2 dash and draw arcs on the line 2 2 dash F as center. Similarly, draw arcs on lines 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash, 5 5 dash, and on all lines. Now we get number of points. All the points are marked as P1, P2, P3, etc. up to P20. A smooth curve drawn through these points will be the required ellipse. Now I am describing an easy method for drawing smooth curve, smooth continuous curve. This is a flexible scale. One side of it is marked as 12 inches and the other side 30 millimeter, and the other side 30 centimeter. This is a 1 feet length flexible scale. Some students has difficulties to draw smooth curves with free hand. They can draw. They can use a flexible scale as shown now. This is the required ellipse. Now we have to draw the second focus, F dash. Then measure VF and mark the point V dash F dash from the vertex V dash. This is the eccentricity method of drawing ellipse. Thank you.